In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a KPI visual in Power BI. We'll walk through this step-by-step process to help you gain actionable insights from your data using this powerful tool. Let's get started by adding some sample data to your report. Power BI conveniently offers built-in sample data sets that you can use to practice and refine your skills. When you're on the main page of Power BI, take a look at the section labeled Add Data to your report. Here, you'll see an option to use sample data. This feature is especially useful if you want to explore Power BI's capabilities without needing your dataset right off the bat. Selecting this option leads to a pop-up window presenting you with two choices. Go ahead and click Load Sample Data, and this will import a pre-made dataset directly into your report. It's an effortless way to start exploring the tools without the hassle of preparing your own data at this point. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted by the Navigator window. Here you'll notice a dataset named Financials, which is what we'll be working with today. Click to select it and then hit Load. By doing so, the dataset is imported into Power BI, and you'll be ready to create your first visual. Now that your data is loaded, it's time to bring in some visuals. Look to the right side of your screen at the Visualizations pane. Among the various icons, find the one that represents a KPI visual. Click on the KPI icon, and a new KPI visual will be added to your report canvas. It might look a bit blank at first, but not for long, as we're now going to configure it with meaningful data points. To set up your KPI visual correctly, you need to focus on matching the data fields with the right components of the visual. You'll start by populating the KPI fields. Begin by dragging sales from the Financials data pane and dropping it into the value field of your KPI visual. This step ensures that the sum of sales is displayed as your current value. Next, drag date into the trend axis field. This allows you to observe how your sales numbers change over time, providing a visual trend that can be incredibly insightful. Lastly, take gross sales and drag it into the target field. By setting this as your target, you're showing the sum of gross sales as the benchmark you're aiming to achieve. This configuration is key as it displays the relationship between your actual sales and your goals. And there you have it. Your KPI dashboard is now set up and ready to be further customized. It's a straightforward process that lays the foundation for deeper data insights and nuanced decision making. Whether you're looking to analyze performance trends or set targets, a KPI visual is an effective way to transform raw data into a compelling story. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing with Power BI.